Welcome to NeoEnglish, your daily easy English podcast, where we read a short news piece and break it down for beginners.
I'm Ava, and today we talk about a VegOut article that says if you're over 65 and can still do these 10 things without help, you're a rare gem.
The idea is simple. Some older people continue to take on challenges that would impress people much younger, and scientists say it's more than luck.
That means it's not just genes or fate. Daily habits, health, and mindset play big roles.
We'll explain the news in plain English, and we'll add a couple of short examples you can imitate in conversation.
And we'll touch on vocabulary, so you can use these ideas in your own talks about aging and current events.
The article describes a rare gem of a person, someone unusually capable and resilient for their age.
Conquer challenges means to overcome difficult tasks, to solve problems that look hard.
For example, example 1, driving to the doctor's appointment without getting lost. Example 2, cooking a healthy dinner by oneself.
The key point is independence, doing things without asking for help from others.
The piece also notes that success isn't just luck or genes. It comes from routines, social support, and staying mentally active.
Good. Now let's connect this to how beginners can use these ideas in everyday talk about news.
10 things without help is a lot, but we'll discuss a few to keep it clear. Independent mobility, self-care, technology use, and staying physically and socially active.
Here are 2 quick examples you can rehearse. Example 1. An elder can drive safely to the park. Example 2. She can use a smartphone to call family.
We'll also note that current events often cover aging issues, healthcare, and community support.
Now, a practical tip. When you talk about these ideas, you can say, "She is a rare gem in our community," or "He conquered a big challenge today."
That should give you usable phrases and a sense of how to present everyday news in simple English.
If you don't want to miss daily news from NeoEnglish, you can subscribe and get a new episode every day.
Now let's recap the story background in a few short lines so you remember the context. Aging populations, balancing health and independence, and the idea that some people rise to the challenge.
And the moral for language learners is that small, clear phrases can carry big meaning in news conversations.
Vocabulary recap. Rare gem, conquer challenges, independent, without help, current events, aging routine, support.
Phrases recap. A rare gem, to conquer challenges, independent living, stay active, stay connected. Without help, current events.
2 example sentences to show usage. Rare gem and conquer challenges.
Example 1. Maria is a rare gem because she helps others and keeps learning.
Example 2. He conquered the challenges of learning a new app after retirement.
Example 3. She can cook dinner without help.
Example 4. They manage their finances without help.
Final thought. Aging gracefully is a journey. With practice, patience, and community, you can keep practicing English and stay informed about current events.